Alright, we're back at it. Put it on the top. You know how to play with your cars on there. You were doing it all night last night. You gotta let them go. You know that. You're being silly. Whoa! Yay! You got two. Oh, and you've got 3 cars now. That one was stuck. Is that Daddy's car? Oh, we got a horrible cough. Oh, yay! So cute. Cool car. Cool car. Jonah, can you look at Mommy and say, bye, Mommy? Yay! Say bye-bye, Mommy. No, not gonna say it? Okay.